Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 4 Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this tablet. Anyway, to get started, we're going to pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Now, on one of the pages, you should have a power saving toggle like this one. So if you don't see it on the first one, you can swipe to the left, there we go, and you'll see additional pages. Anyway, once you see it, you can simply tap on it, and as you can see, it enables. Now you can also hold it, which will take you to the settings and actually lets you know what will be changed, as we don't get to have that anymore visible when you tap on it. So in here, going quickly over this little description, background network usage, syncing and location checking will be limited. You can also set additional limits to save more power. Now, for the most part, everything is enabled outside of the limit apps on home screen, which goes outside of power saving mode. Most tablets call this ultra power saver, and just to kind of check this on, you can see how that actually looks like. You can see that's basically your home screen. You don't have no wallpapers, you don't got your toggles, I guess, but outside of that, it's as you can see, pretty limiting. Let's turn it off. There we go. And holding it again, there's two additional things that are enabled by default, which is the CPU limit speed to 70% and decrease brightness by 10%. Now the brightness is visible right off the bat, but the CPU speed to 70% probably will not be, but it will be felt as this device is already slow. So you might actually want to stay away from this one. And last thing to keep in mind is the very vague description of background network usage and syncing, which entails that your device will basically disconnect from Wi-Fi and mobile data when you're not using it. And there's two options, which obviously I have no clue which the device picks. It's something that you'll need to figure out as you go along. Again, Samsung and their infinite wisdom decided not to give you actual information. So I'm gonna just give you what could happen. So because of this portion and the device disconnecting from Wi-Fi and mobile data, you either will receive notifications in a delayed manner, so like every, for instance, 20 minutes or so. I have no clue. It's not stated here. Or you won't be receiving them at all as long as you're not using the device. So one of those will be in effect. I just don't know which one. Obviously, that might kind of break the power saving mode for a bunch of people, as some people will rely on having their notifications being delivered to them on time when they're being sent, which this would kind of make it not so. Now, anyway, so just wanted to kind of clarify this for people that might find this as a problem. And obviously for just a typical power saving mode, again, just toggle it on and off at will. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.